welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix frozen ship, game, crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once your PC and Steam restarts, now launch the game and click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. Search for device manager. After it opens, you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here, you have to type -D x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -D x12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. From here, you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So search for the game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, in the arrow icon, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will check if any update is available. If yes, wait for some time and after that check if the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for it and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website open, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, you have to click on it and then click on yes. Now wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, etc., then it directly impacts the game. So you are suggested to disable all those third-party applications and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game also. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall frozen zip game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve frozen ship game crashing and startup, stuck loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, not launching, not opening, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.